Hey, what's up everybody? Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So listen, today we are gonna review some beef jerky. One of our students in the course brought his product to market. Fantastic labeling, and actually used one of our USDA processors, guys. So we're gonna check this jerky out. Bold City Jerky out of Jacksonville, Florida. Scott Cappucciato. Bam, I think I got that right, but it's a nice Irish name, right? So he is the owner of Bold City Jerky, guys. It's got 3 flavors: original, a scorpion pepper jerky, and a teriyaki jerky, guys. So check this out. Nice labels, ingredient labels on the back. This is the teriyaki, so we're gonna check this out here. It's a 2.5 ounce bag, and let's dig into it, all right? Without further ado, Bold City Jerky. One thing I like about this particular processor is they have nice, thick bags, okay? So here we go. Let's check it out. Very nice, nice smell. Now this is one of his recipes here. So, nice consistency. Very little fat on this. Very tender too, I can feel it. Great flavor. Great flavor. This is a good, this is a really nice flavor. Teriyaki. Nice, and this is very soft and tender. So check this jerky out, guys. Really deep teriyaki flavor that's coming through. Very tender. It's an easy chew. 2.5 ounces in the bag, guys. Check out Bold City Jerky, my friends. Some great stuff here. Give Scott some business, guys. We appreciate it. Teriyaki beef jerky. We'll do the other flavors here too, guys. We'll check out this original. I'm really interested in getting into this. But guys, listen. This is the Fat Yankee here. We'll be back on doing some recipes very shortly. Working on our new company, emailclick.com. So we'll get back on here and start doing some recipes once things slow down a little bit with Email Click. So guys, check out Bold City Jerky. Thanks for watching the Fat Yankee here, guys. We'll see ya. Talk to you soon. Thank you.